Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am ready to order.
Do you want some food?
Yes, I want some food.
What do you want?
I want a burger.
Do you want fries?
Yes, I want some fries.
What would you like?
I would like some chicken.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, I am hungry now.
What would you like to drink?
I would like some water.
Do you want a soda?
No, I want some juice.
What kind of juice?
I want orange juice.
Is this your order?
Yes, this is my order.
Do you want anything else?
Yes, I want some bread.
How many burgers do you want?
I want one burger.
Is one burger enough?
Yes, one burger is enough.
Can I take your order?
Yes, you can take my order.
What would you like today?
I would like a chicken sandwich.
Do you want cheese?
Yes, I want some cheese.
What kind of cheese?
I want cheddar cheese.
Do you want extra cheese?
No, I do not want extra cheese.
How would you like it?
I would like it without onions.
Can you eat spicy food?
Yes, I can eat spicy food.
How spicy do you want it?
I want it mildly spicy.
Do you want a side salad?
Yes, I want a side salad.
What dressing would you like?
I would like ranch dressing.
Do you need a spoon?
Yes, I need a spoon.
What else do you need?
I need a fork and napkin.
Is everything correct?
Yes, everything is correct.
Would you like dessert?
No, I would like coffee.
What size coffee?
I would like a small coffee.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am ready to order.
What would you like first?
I would like some soup.
Do you want tomato soup?
Yes, I want tomato soup.
Would you like some bread?
Yes, I would like some bread.
What would you like next?
I would like grilled chicken.
Do you want rice with it?
Yes, I want rice with it.
Would you like vegetables too?
Yes, I would like vegetables too.
Do you want any sauce?
No, I do not want sauce.
What would you like to drink?
I would like iced tea.
Do you want ice?
Yes, I want extra ice.
Is that everything?
Yes, that is everything.
Can you check your order?
Yes, I can check my order.
Is your order correct?
Yes, my order is correct.
Would you like anything else?
No, that is all. Thank you.
Are you ready to eat?
Yes, I am ready to eat.
Did you practice ordering food?
Yes, I practiced ordering food.
Did you practice drinks too?
Yes, I practiced drinks too.
Great job ordering today.
Great job practicing today.